Buti. Tana! Barbecue! Hello again, mga auntie girl. Happy Midsummer 2025. Baba, Johannes na tayo kailan. Midsummer 2025. At cloudy na may araw. Nandito kami ngayon sa aming grilling place. Sa likod bahay. At nag-grill kami. Kunti lang yung handa namin. Tamang barbecue lang. Tapos nag-grill ng makara. Yun lang. Kami lang naman dalawa eh. Kasi yung mga friends namin, meron din silang ganap sa kanilang bukay. So kami, meron din. Dito lang kami sa aming bahay. Hindi kami pumunta sa aming summer cottage. So dito lang kami mag-celebrate. Medyo mahangin nga lang. Pero okay lang yan. Buti at nakabili si Uncle ng kanyang grillan 2 years ago. Kaya dito kami mag-grill sa aming likod bahay. So ganito lang yung aming midsummer celebration. Kami lang naman dalawa eh. So ayan. Ito lang yung handa namin oh. Potato. Tapos yun doon.
Yun is near potato.
Kimchi. Yun lang. Ang aming flowers, yung kanina. Ayan o. Ang ganda. Now it looks blooming.
Yeah, with the water.
Yeah. Hey, the other one.
Oh, is there
Away
something is they're feeling cold on the water.
Yeah. Ano na sila o, nagsitayuan na kanina kasi, medyo lantutay. Nung nilagyan na ng tubig, nag-blooming. So, kailangan lang talaga lagyan ng tubig yung mga bulaklak. Tapos, ito din yung lupini, oh. Kanina medyo bumaba siya. Tapos, ngayon naman, nakatayo na, oh. Kasi nilagyan na din ng tubig. Dito namin nilagay sa parang balde-balde. Pero, ang loob niya yung glass. So, ayan. Yan lang. Ito lang yung aming handa. Simple-simple lang. Kasi kami lang naman dalawa. So, papakita ko yung flowers. Ayan o. Ang ganda. Ayan lang. And then, yan. Yan lang. Ganda tingnan. So, si Uncle nagdadagdag ng uling. Meron din niya ng uling. Hotdog. It's too crack. Nagkat daw siya ng glass.
There, I already This needs to down stay lighter.
So, tahimik dito sa amin. Yun, ganito lang yung aming ganap.
Example here is done already.
Ang ganap niya si Uncle. Yung pinapakita siya. Nakasap siya ng ganap.
Just past it.
Yan. Yan daw. Okay naman ako ng grass cutter. Now it's growing the grass there. Malinis na yung nandun sa may garage. Yan. Yun lang. Ang ganap.
We are just waiting the meat because I don't want to burn it, so put kind of low heat on the first.
Yeah. So, yeah. Can you open it again? Barbecue. Nice. Hot dog.
This is the good because you can keep the knocker out there and don't up.
Exactly. Yun lang. Malapitan natin yung flowers. Sa malapitan. Ganyan. Yan lang. Great.
Really?
Can you check?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry na.
So the nakki is done and the makkara is done.
Ketchup.
Yeah, the makki start to be done.
Ito na yung hotdog. Can you find that?
Yeah. Yum.
Sat. Ito, ang dito. Uling.
Yeah.
Nauling.
Uling.
Dargo.
Mhm.
Uling.
And I think the meat started to be also soon done. Tiny crispiness more.
Yeah.
And then it's done. I say that they are so good. Soon. Yum.
Maybe we need to get back. That's what you bring.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, because it is. It's fine.
Yeah.
Should I close now? It will not fall. Yeah, not falling. Yeah. Gradual na lang ulit natin kasi para yung init maipon sa loob. So ano? That. Look like burning. Binaba ko sa number 1 kasi number 6 ay number 5 kanina. So sobrang init yung baga. Baga. Sunog yung barbecue. So napakuha lang ako kay Uncle nung lagayan ng pagkain. Kasi paluto na siya. Buti na lang nagbigay yung kapatid ko ng ano, yung kulay green. Kasi lumipat na yung lola nila sa ano eh. Banhan ko sa home for the aged. So binigyan niya ako. Maganda siya pang ano upuan. So ayan. Okay na. Are you done? I think this is soon fine. Cooked na.
Is it too hot?
I make it done.
Yeah,
You put the oil down.
you can like add just the heat. Wait till a lot.
I think it's okay now.
Makkara at least is done. And then the most crispy of them is done.
So,
Yum.
mga ate girl, luto na siya.
Yum. Looks good. Just perfect.
Take my tip.
Yeah, they were there on the side.
Yeah.
Mm.
Make it close. Yung balik natin. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung ready na. Yan. Yan. Yan, may food. Nilipat ko yung bulaklak doon para may space dito. Homemade hotdog. Ready na si Uncle. Gutom na. Are you hungry na?
Yeah, start to feel hungry.
Hungry na si Uncle.
Cherry tomatoes. Like that. So now I have the potato, cauliflower, cherry potato, cherry tomato. Then taking it like this. And then taking like this. And now that's my Johannes.
Good.
Kiitos. Uusia perunoita. They're yummy. I've heard it takes out. Tässä ottaa vähän salaa. Thank you and hyvää juhannusta. Hyvää juhannusta.
Hyvää juhannusta. Kaikille happy summer everyone. Cheers.
You were speaking so deeply. Still. Then I take like a 5:30. I take you. Okay, just leaving the 6 still sleeping. Kiitos. Okay, you're gonna speak this. Ja, okej. Det är skott. Det är svårt. Sen då kan det stå där. Men det här är den. Det är så. Ja, vi sen går det. Det där. Alltså det är nästan något. Ja, okej. Nu ska jag ta det. Så här är det. Ja, det är skott. Det är riktigt. Okej. Det var det. Det var det. Did you have a good person? They're kind of meet the year. Okay. After probably 120 of these, they can do something. You don't know how many of these festivals, music festivals. You know, every year. You want to go sorry, but it's not all of them. And that's one of the smallest concerts or meetings. There is this year again. You know, Brew has their own house because many don't really have. Men det är direkt ändå. Klimatförsök. Alltså klimatförsök. Kan man ju kanske säga. Det är så. 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 Ja. That's healthy. First up here. Yeah, I was thinking that maybe it's not good. Then I forget.
Bye everyone. Tapos na kaming kumain at papahinga lang kami. And then let's see kung anong ganap namin mamaya. Kasi yung oras pa lang naman ngayon dito ay 1:20 ng hapon. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin mamaya. Kung manonood ba kami ng bonfire or ano. Let's see. Bye mga auntie girls. See you on my next vlog. Bye Johannes Takay Kile. Happy Midsummer everyone.
Feel there. On kyllä here.
Kaikki teidän autot.
Joo, tietenkin yhtään ja niin.
Onpa hieno kakko. Go to try that if it's really warm near that place.
Voi olla, tämä on kylmä. Ai.
Come va a
Hei! Hyvää juhannusta.
Hyvää juhannusta.